Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today I will share a DIY for home decor. In last video you must have seen I was creating I was making some pom pom from wool. So I did a few of them, and today thought to use and make some home decor for Diwali festival. So for that I'm making like I may need few pom pom, around 30-40 pom pom. So I created those, and it won't take much time actually. Within half an hour you can make it, because this method what I am showing here, 3-4 pom pom can be made at a time. So within half an hour we can make 40-50 pom pom. I decided to make a garland or toran. For that I need pom pom and also tassel. So here I am making tassel. I have just taken this cover of tiffin box and just wrapping wool around it. Making tassel is very easy. Here you can see. Tassels is actually loosely hanging threads and knotted at one end. So we have to wrap a few strands of threads, and then we need to knot it at one end. So that much easy it is. Now I have tied these threads at one end, like shown in video, and the another end we need to cut it. It should look like loose threads tying at one end. And that's it. It is so simple and easy to make. So here I have few pom poms and a few tassels. Now I want to use these pearl and also seashells, like in between hanging. I will use these pom pom tassels and these pearl hanging, and I will create one beautiful garland. To make hanging, I'm just tying this seashell at one end, and then I will string pearls in this thread like I'm showing in the video. Now I'm checking length of the hanging with the tassel. I need similar length. So it's done now. Let's create garland. Now pom pom are ready, tassels are ready, even pearl hanging also ready. Now everything we need to assemble and put together as per your choice of pattern. Here I am taking just 2 pom pom, and within that I will hang that pearl hanging, and then big pearl, then goes tassel. So this pattern I am creating. And here beautiful toran or garland is ready. Till now you watched video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Now let's hang this toran. And see how beautiful it is looking. I'm so happy. I hope you also like this. Now few pom pom are there, so I thought to utilize those also, and let's create something new. So I'm going to create a backdrop for puja. Here I have taken one cloth, it is a blouse piece, and these pom poms I have arranged like this to create a symbol swastik. Swastik is a symbol of divinity and spirituality. I will attach these pom pom to this cloth with the help of needle and thread, and also I will attach these beautiful white beads in between. And yeah, this is ready. See how beautiful it is looking and perfect for Diwali festival. So I will use this as a backdrop for puja. Here I will arrange Diwali puja. Now let's see another DIY. Here I am creating a decorative base to keep candles, or we can use other ways also, but for this Diwali I am using as a base for candles. For that I have taken bangle and I am just wrapping wool around it so that the bangle should not be visible. Metal bangle is preferable, but I was not having, but I use this glass bangle. Anyway, this wool will protect it, and it is like we have to keep at one place. It's not like playing with that, so nothing to worry. So here I have finished wrapping wool around bangle, and I will just fix one end with the hot glue. Now here I have some pom-pom. These are felt pom-pom I purchased from local supermarket. These are at very cheap rate. And here I am attaching these pom-pom to that bangle. And this is how it is looking like. So I have created a few more, and our beautiful base for candle is ready. And this is last DIY. You will find a link in the I button. Already created these for Ganesh festival. I used that time as a backdrop, but for Diwali I can use it as a candle holder. You can see how beautiful it is looking. It's very quick and easy. Just check that video, Ganpati festival. Link is in the description box and also in the I button. And I hope guys you like all these DIYs. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Happy Diwali. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.